Hey guys, welcome to my ListProdigy review. My name is Keiron Hogg. In this ListProdigy review, I'm going to show you the members area and I'm going to show you how the owners are able to generate thousands of dollars with their email list and how you can do the same. Also, I'm going to take you to my custom tailored bonuses for this product. It's going to help you also increase your email list as well as my mega bonus bundle of 270 bonuses.
What? Did we just become best friends? Yup!
That's right, that we'll be checking out. So I'll see you on the other side. Welcome back, everyone. Thank you for being here. This is my channel where I do tech reviews, also showing you various ways to make money online. All right, ListProdigy. This is going live on Thursday, May 18th, 11 o'clock Eastern Standard Time with a front end of $12.95, and it is being launched by Fergal Downs, Trevor Carr, and Max Gerstenmaier. Max is a friend of mine. He has great products. Also, Fergal and Trevor, they are seven-figure affiliates who have loads of great products and are well respected in the industry. So this should be a good product. All right, you guys, so I'm going to take you first to my bonus page. We're going to look at a little bit more of ListProdigy, go through it, take you over to the members area, take you to the sales page, show you my bonuses, and then we'll get into the price and the upsells. So guys, here is my bonus page. You have 5 days and 1 hour to collect all of the bonuses that I'm offering with ListProdigy here. So let's learn a little bit more about it, how to build a list that makes you $1,000 plus per day without the need to create products and launch. So following thousands of dollars of investment in coaching and years of trial and error, Fergal has mastered the art of building buyers lists that actually make money, leveraging an unlimited traffic source. So as they say, the money is in the list. All right, so guys, just a brief outline here. You're going to get super affiliate secrets for $1,000 paydays, build a push button system for $1,000 paydays while you are sleeping or doing whatever it is that you're not in front of the computer. Discover the closely guarded secrets, unlimited traffic source that builds your list, a simple hack that guaranteed amazing open rates, totally newbie friendly, don't need any previous knowledge of this. You have an AI email list hacks like ChatGPT do the work for you, and this is all with a 30-day money-back guarantee. So here is the funnel that we'll get into in just a moment. Let me take you to the members area. So first you're going to get an introduction. This is just the dashboard here. You're going to get a welcome to ListProdigy. So you're going to have, you have just a quick introduction from the group here. You'll have an overview of what you're going to expect with the course. And then let's just get into the main training. So you're going to learn about inboxing. You're going to set up with Aweber. Now maybe you have another autoresponder, for example, GetResponse. The principles are pretty much the exact same, but they're just going to show you how to do it with Aweber. The DKIM backend setup, the mail tester check, the follow-up sequence, the link cloaking, traffic, how you're going to get traffic with this, okay? The list segmentation, words to avoid. So some words have a more friendly connotation than others. I'm going to show you which ones that you should be focusing on and maybe which ones to avoid more. Build your email lists. If your open rates suddenly drop, what to do. Broadcasts, click banking, and Postmasters and MX Toolbox. So a lot of information in here that's going to show you how you can quickly upscale your list. Now guys, we've also have the ListProdigy AI. So have AI write all your emails for you, how to use ChatGPT to also get good content, and let ChatGPT rewrite launch swipes. You're going to get a conclusion and then the upgrades as well. So I know Trevor and Fergal and even Max for that matter, they have multiple thousands of people on their email lists, and that is just by implementing these tactics and these strategies, okay? Now, let me take you to the sales page, and then I'm going to show you my bonuses that are going to complement and help you increase your list faster as well. All right, so here is the sales page. You already know that, how to build a buyer's list. I've gone through these main steps as well. If you want to make money online, an email list is the easiest way, and it doesn't have to be complicated. What I like about the sales page is it's short and to the point. You can check this out in my description down below. There'll be a link for that along with my bonus page as well. So you can read this on your own time. I'm just going to kind of skim through some of the main points. What if you could build a list in a few days that made you money for the next few years? Unlimited traffic means unlimited subscribers. And guys, it's very, very simple. This is not a big sales page. We have some testimonials here that you guys can read on your own time. And that's about it. So really straightforward. You can read that. I'm going to take you now back to my bonus page. We're going to look at the bonuses that are going to help you increase your list faster. We'll check all the prices out in just one moment. But my first one is an email profit builders. This is a PDF that is going to help you with more strategies and how to increase your list. Another one is how to build an email list easily. So this is a very simple step that I recorded myself, how you can build a list. You can integrate it with your Aweber, or for example, if you're using GetResponse or MailChimp or whatever your email provider is, how you can easily add more contacts to it. How to create money-making headlines. So this is a bit of an edge that you can use. This is what a lot of top-line marketers will use as well. So you can use these tactics to help draw that attention. We're being inundated with all kinds of content, social media content every day. You only have a split second to attract your customers' eyes, and this can help you do that. Guys, these are my own products that I launched with a couple of friends on how to make money online just by no experience needed at all. I'm going to give these to you. I'm going to give you Testorama, make $10 in 10 minutes. I'm going to give you the Testorama Pro. You'll be able to make up to 300% more in the exact same time. All you have to do is just show me your receipt, and I'll give you the free coupon codes, and you can grab these yourself. And guys, my mega bonus bundle of 270 bonuses for free. That's right. So I'll show you just the content in here. You've got basically everything under the sun for making money online in that bundle. And the vendor bonuses as well, guys. Now, I don't have those at the moment. When this is up and you're watching it, they will have it in the members area right in here. They're going to show that to you, okay? But I don't have it at the moment. But if I just take you, so what you want to do to get all the bonuses and, of course, pick up ListProdigy, click on any of these yellow buttons here. It's going to take you to the sales page like so. And this yellow button, the order now, that is going to take you to Warrior Plus. It's going to look like so. Click on that blue button there, and that's going to take you to this page right here where all of these bonuses are just waiting for you. So let me just click on the Mega Bonus Bundle, and we've got everything. We've got YouTube, how to do plugins, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, influencers. We've got blogs if you want to start a blog, how you can create content for that. Email list building ideas. There's tutorials with videos, tutorials with PDFs. There are other things like Printify if you want to create your own brand for printing. Also even like real estate and traffic. Loads of different ways to get traffic. There are other courses in here that show you step-by-step how to do launch reviews as well. So thousands and thousands of dollars of content in this particular document just for you. Okay? All right. Now, guys, I want to take you to the funnel, the price. Okay, so here it is, guys. We have the front end at $12.95. The OTO one done for you at $37. So they will take care of it for you. They will set it all up. If you don't want to deal with the installing or the setting up, the integration of your autoresponder, they'll do that all for you. They'll show you how you can increase your mail list, and you don't even have to do it. Okay, so that is a possible option. And number two, mass traffic. So they're going to show you some tips on how to build up that list even faster. Number three is a product launching formula. So if you want to start launching your own products, this is a way that they're going to show you how you can do that step by step. And the Empire VIP Club, $2 for 14 days, and then it becomes $37 per month. So this is an exclusive Facebook club where you can ask any kind of questions. You can get mentoring from these guys. All three of these guys are very talented. I know Max quite well, and he's great. And the other guys, I think I know friends of them, and they say wonderful things about them too. So they all know what they're doing, and they will all be there to guide you if you are interested in really bringing your game up to the next level. And if you want the resale rights to this, it's going to be $47 as well. So guys, this is just the same information as I put right there. So I'm not going to go over that again. You can read that again on your own time. And again, with the summary points, it is also the same. So you're going to learn how to make $1,000 days with your list. You're going to learn how to make money while you sleep, list building ideas, how to use AI, how to get secrets from $1,000 coaching. And this is all for free for the first 30 days as well. And guys, don't forget all of my bonuses that are also going to help you increase your list as well. My testorama. So guys, if you have no experience with making money online, these are fantastic, good ways for you to get your feet wet and start making money online as well. And of course, my mega bonus bundle and their bonuses as well. And guys, thank you for sticking around. As a way of saying thank you, if you do get it through my link, I also have another bonus for you, product that I got a lot of value from, and I know you will too. So this concludes my ListProdigy review. Like I said, it goes live on May 18th at 11 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Bonuses are going to stay up for 5 days. Guys, I've also got some free training down below. And if you want to learn how to make $1,000 to $5,000 US paydays, click right here for your free training. It's a 14-minute video that's going to show you the overview. And then you will also have free training videos and testimonials from real people who are absolutely crushing it. All right, my friends, thanks again for your time. I really appreciate it. I hope you got value from this. Give me a like, leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe so you're always updated when I have a new video for you and new ways to make money online. And until then, all the best on your journey, and I'll talk to you soon.